Hi guys! Panibago na namang earning application ng ating i-review. So, same na same sila ni Waygo app and meron po siyang download app. Meron pong libreng 10 pesos, no? Then, meron po tayong daily sign-in. Ang daily sign-in po nito is 2 pesos every day, no? So, yan guys, yung mga product nila, punta ka lang dito sa buy store. Yung 200 pesos mo, kikita ng 40 pesos. Yung 600 pesos mo, kikita ng 125 pesos. Yung 1,200 pesos mo, kikita ng 270 pesos. Yung 2,500, 600 pesos po ang daily income. Yung 5,000 pesos, 1,280 pesos. So, yan pa lang po as of now yung mga nakabukas na products. So, yung 50,000 is coming soon. 11,000 coming soon. 23,000 coming soon po. So, yun guys, no, ngayon lang po ito nag-launch, kaya maganda po ito sa bayan, guys. So, yun guys, if you want to invest dito kay GE, guys, is that, GE Healthcare, is that ilalagay ko na lang po sa pinned comment section ko yung aking link. And again, guys, invest what you can afford to lose lang, guys. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Bye-bye! Thank you for watching!